It's Jeff Summers with Watch You Know, and today I want to tell you about something that happened. I ordered this Maestro from Orient, otherwise known as the RA-ACOE05N10A. Most people just call it the Maestro. So I was all excited, ordered this watch, opened it up, and I want to show you what came in it. This was just bizarre. I opened it up, and of course the manuals were there. Everything looks good. Everything was completely shrink wrapped. Okay, so then I opened it up, and actually under the pillow was this. You can see that, a bunch of rusted bolts, all sealed in a package. So I imagine this happened at the Orient factory, where somebody took the watch out and then put these bolts in and then put everything else in it. Putting the bolts in makes it a similar weight, I guess. But that was a shocking experience. I did order it from Amazon, but I think that may have happened at the Orient factory. Who knows? Amazon was great. I called them up, obviously said I got a bag of bolts instead of the watch. And they said, we'll send you the watch on Friday, and you can just go ahead and keep this box here and the bolts too. Let's do this unboxing here. Here's the bag that they sent me, and let's just hope that I'm not getting a bunch of bolts. And we're just gonna open it up. Now this is different because this is not shrink wrapped, where this one was. You can still see the shrink wrapping. So anyways, I'll open it up and let's see if we have the real deal in here. So here it is, and yes, there's the watch. I'm going to do a full review on this watch in about a week. It is a 40 millimeter watch. It's 11.9 millimeters thick, and it is water resistant. It uses an Orient F6722 in-house movement, and it is a beautiful watch. That's about it for today. I just wanted to make sure that I actually got the watch instead of a bag of bolts. Okay. All right. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you in the next review. And please consider subscribing to the channel. Watch You Know. Thank you.